Hi guys, it's Neetu, and today I thought I'd do another Does This Thing Really Work? And this time I'm trying to use these things by Etude House. They're these strawberry hair curlers. They're really cute. They're like strawberries. They're foam and they're supposed to curl your hair. Look at the back. There's 4 in a pack, but look, that girl has 6 in her hair. And all the instructions are in Korean. So, whatever. Yeah, but if you look at the photos, you can kind of understand that you're supposed to put it in the ends and then roll up. I've tried using these before with no success, and I'm going to try it again. This is my final attempt, and I've tried using it like sleeping with them on, and they're really annoying to sleep with on. I can't sleep with these on because there's like stuff in my hair. I just can't. I have curly hair already, but I wanted to get like waves more than curls. I thought this might help or might make things easier for me. I don't know. I wanted to make things easier on me. If you have curly hair, you know how difficult it can be. They're really cute too. They were in a Korean drama. Another problem I had with them was that it dried my hair out so much as well, and I already have very fine curly dry hair, so it just dried my hair out even more. So this is my final attempt, and I thought of how I could make it work, you know? And if this doesn't work, basically nothing will, and then these things really don't work. So first I'm gonna put some hair oil in it because I think that this more than anything will combat the dryness. First I tried the Etude House serum, the hair serum, but that didn't work. So this is really a more intensive one. It is the Heals Deeply Restorative Smoothing Hair Oil Concentrate. It has argan oil and sesame oil, and it's a leave-in hair daily anti-frizz treatment thing. So I'm just gonna spray that generously. Like, this is really kind of, normally you shouldn't use it like this. Like, you should put it on your brush and then brush it through, but I don't know, I could just look like I have really oily hair after this. I really think that you need more than 4 to make it work, but there's only 4 in a pack, so why would you sell only 4 if you need more, you know? The look I'm going for is, you know, kind of straight here and then loose waves. That's kind of the look. Look, I hardly have any hair anyway to begin with. I have like 4 hairs on my head, so it should work even if my hair is kind of long. So I'm just gonna divide as best I can into 4. I think this one, I can put more in this. I think I can put more in this one. Okay, so you take one of these strawberry things and you're supposed to do this in the beginning, and then you're supposed to just roll up. And so because my hair is so thin and fine, I can get it all in actually. It just didn't work for me last time. But yeah, if you don't have thin fine hair like me, you're gonna be out of luck. And then it kind of just locks in like that. But yeah, I'll do it up to there.
I'm gonna put now another, let's do another piece. They have like these light colored ones. The thing is that they are so cute. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna roll up like that. Okay, I'm having, no, it's all going in there though. So let's just leave it like that. Like, it's really annoying to sleep with. Okay, and then I'll do this part. Do I look funny? Okay, I came closer to the camera. I don't know why. Maybe you can see better? Okay, I came closer to the camera. I don't know. Oh, another problem I had, I remember now, is that, uh-oh, am I doing it right? Okay, yeah. So another problem I had is that my hair often got like, when you're taking it out, it just kind of got stuck or tangled or something, and, you know, it broke off some part of my hair. This one isn't working out very well. Maybe I'm just not good at doing the side. I'm gonna leave it like that though. I'm gonna leave it like that. And of course, you have to bring the back to the front, because otherwise I couldn't roll it by myself. And that completely defeats the purpose. I want to do this by myself, and I'm trying to make it fast and easy on me. In the morning or whatever. Whenever. Yeah. Okay.
funny, but what you can do now is sleep overnight with it on, but I'm just going to use the hair dryer, and I hope that that works and these don't melt and everything turns out okay, but we'll see. I'm going to show you. I have this old ratchet hair dryer that I'm going to use. Okay, I had time to eat a snack, I had time to chop onions and garlic and stuff, and I really don't think they're completely dry inside. Even after sleeping overnight with them, what I did other times in times past, and then I woke up and then they still weren't dry. So, you know, these are kind of hard to dry because they're all like, your hair's all rolled up. Anyway, now I'm going to unroll them, and oh, that one just came out because as I was drying it, it was getting loose, and it's still wet actually. Okay. Yep, still wet. But look, it's been a long time. I've been drying my hair for a long time, and you know, this one got stuck in there, so wet. I think I'm gonna have to finish drying it off with the hair dryer. And this one is completely tangled up in there, so this is a problem now. You can get it out like this. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, that's not good. Okay, I got it out. But, so it looks like that now. Yeah, this was a complete fail. I really think that it also damages your hair too. So I wouldn't use these. I don't know. Some people say it works, but I can't get it to work. I've tried so many different ways and I just can't get these to work. I'm going to dry my hair and I'll show you what it looks like anyway. Okay, so that's it. This is what it looks like. My hair is dry now. If this is a look you're going for, okay, but I really think that if you want curly hair or you want waves or whatever, it's just so much easier to just get a regular curling iron, and it would be so much faster to just do them one by one than using these things. And these things really dry your hair out and your hair gets caught in them. And when I was drying my hair, I did see smoke, you know, like steam, smoke, I don't know, it seemed like smoke, so that kind of scared me. It was a bit alarming. So in conclusion, this really doesn't work. It would be faster and easier to just get a curling iron or use something else. Anything but these basically. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. See you